Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing household appliances as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into the world of Hoover washing machines and tackling the frustrating E07 error code, specifically for 2025 models. If your machine is flashing E07, don't panic. This error often points to issues like a faulty door lock, water drainage problems, or even a simple sensor glitch. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to get your washer up and running again. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your washing machine before starting any troubleshooting to avoid electrical hazards. Once that's done, let's begin with the basics. Step 1. Check the door. Make sure it's fully closed and latched. Sometimes, a misaligned door can trigger this error. Give it a firm push and try restarting the machine. If that doesn't work, move on to step 2. Inspect for blockages. The E07 error might indicate a drainage issue. Open the filter compartment, usually at the bottom front of the machine, and clear out any lint, coins, or debris. Use a flashlight to get a good look, and don't forget to have a towel handy for any water that might spill out. Next, in step 3, perform a reset. Turn off the machine, unplug it for a full minute, then plug it back in and power it up. This can clear temporary glitches. If the error persists, check the water inlet hoses for kinks or blockages, as poor water flow can also cause E07. For more advanced users, step 4 involves testing the door lock mechanism. You might need a multimeter for this, but if you're not comfortable, it's time to call a professional. Remember, attempting repairs beyond your expertise could void your warranty. There you have it, a straightforward guide to fixing the E07 error on your Hoover washing machine. We've covered the essentials, but if you run into any snags, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips. Stay safe and keep those machines humming.